I hope you have read FOMC minute PDF. If you have not, then this is the link to official site. Just click on June FOMC minute PDF. When you read entire PDF, if you are beginner and new to macro trading, then this video is just for you. I think most important lines which they repeat two times in entire PDF, not repeat the language that has suggested an easing bias. In more simple language, in language of day trader, what they are saying, they will not give you hint, they will not say anything which give you idea that rate cut are coming. So many traders say FOMC minutes are always useless, they are right, because two things which changed after June FOMC meeting. First, Fed chair gave a speech where he forecast on inflation, one of his dual mandate price stability, where he said inflation risk have come down. Next day, after that, second part of their dual mandate, maximum employment NFP, which came lower than expected. So they gave us FOMC minute PDF, which is based on outdated information. After that, Fed chair changed his language, changed his forecast. First one on inflation. Next time when he speak, he will change his tone. Very high chance on employment side, NFP. So that's why FOMC minute PDF always outdated. But why we are reading it? Because it is Fed communication tool. So they say not repeat the language, easing bias. First 6 months of this year we saw Fed did not hike, but other central bank they were hiking interest rate. They use Iran war, oil shock. So Fed did not hike, but other central bank were doing hike. Oil was spiking, and investors were doing passive hike for Fed. So without hike, Fed get the result of a rate hike. Just first 6 months of this year we are seeing effect economic slowdown. Almost all inflation indicator came lower than expected or same to same as expected. That's why Fed chair said inflation risk have come down. One of their dual mandate price stability. After that, NFP. That means their second part of dual mandate maximum employment, which came lower than expected. So their both dual mandate, both risks are going down. From here, economic slowdown. Economy does not slow down from here. Let's say NFP in future come higher than 57k or stay there. But still, you cannot have one entire year beginning to end rate pause and you do not have economic slowdown. Because rate hike happening outside the USA, oil spike negative effect, and Fed rate pause last 6 months. Investor doing passive rate hike, pricing for rate hike, that will have negative effect on economy. So next 6 months, starting from here, let's say December FOMC meeting, without seeing inflation number, CPI or employment number like NFP, we can expect by the time we reach December FOMC meeting, either Fed cutting interest rate because economic slowdown, if it become visible in economic indicator, it will force Fed to cut, or if economic slowdown does not become visible in economic indicator, then for next year 2027 they will be forecasting cut in December FOMC meeting. Same like FOMC minute PDF, their dot plot, SEP, summary of economic projection, that is their communication tool. If economic slowdown does not accelerate from here, NFP does not go down more below current number 57k till December FOMC meeting, then for sure they pause or not, they hike or not, but very high chance in December FOMC meeting in their dot plot compared to June FOMC meeting, they will be forecasting cut for next year 2027. So what Fed said before lower than expected NFP number in their June FOMC, not repeat language, easing bias, that thing will change. He already pivoted on one side of dual mandate inflation. Very high chance next time he speak, he pivot on second part of dual mandate employment NFP. Like everyone say, FOMC minute PDF is always useless, but it is their communication tool. They are saying not repeat the language, easing bias, but thing already changing. By the time we reach December FOMC meeting, Without seeing all the coming CPI and NFP number, I can say December dot plot compared to June, they will be forecasting cuts for next year 2027. The line they use in minute PDF not repeat the language easing bias that say minutes are hawkish, short term bad for inflation asset, but long term thing will change.